Usia for ya mama kwa baba we have come Eric channel way so. Send them dig kind we are coming up with a lot of videos to show you a lot of things. Ben then you can wansem and you can acquire me no abefa so enya Starlink. That means acquire crojin me nu ben na obefa so a obenya Starlink a obetime use. Starlink ni omu types mienu. Yo Kituwa and yo kese. Kituwa nidindi Starlink Mini. Ana kese no edinde Starlink Standard and access Starlink Gen 3. It is a hweme a ene me beche okwan a obefa so a obetime nya kwan mienu a obetime afa so ansa na obetime nya Starlink we bi. First of all, first one here so beto free Starlink for ho. Starlink for our website starlink.com ubetime to be from obi sam so oh Eric me den to be from ho ntina me dem laptop and then me dem laptop na besian. Until right now you be any say you be jump na akọ laptop no so na ma show send out betime ide ato Starlink free Starlink for website if you are na ma show the other one so until let's jump into it. Comments be answer betime alibi or comment section. Person may hear video about a particular software or teach you something, so I'll be leave comments no. Today I saw you say will be any browser be or this time around I'm using Chrome. So will be a browser and I know about starlink.com. About starlink.com shema. Now for the bahasi. Make sure so be me I get started now. Me I get started now. Mebusa whether you want the residential or the rooming. But you hano sheni mami. Most of the time no. Yen hasi no. The one that is so choose here residential. That's the only unlimited package. And I know so na yefo. Intimacy choose residential too. Choose residential address no. In this case, me my Cape Coast, Ghana, right? To me choose a neighbor. It's name me view the plan, right? It's me view plans now. Na me who plans are available. I will Cape Coast. Into one share tricky be wasi. Shade. We have auto Starlink na. Starlink for now mama installments. Until there is a way with my Starlink in an installment form, right? So okay, so Starlink Mini installment. See, Starlink Mini no wait me to 450 Ghana cedis. If you have 450 Ghana cedis, you will get your Starlink Mini. But the woman say a month biano. Omobeto, I think roughly 500 cedis. Yeah, Omobeto 500 cedis. I think together with the subscription, it will be 1,200 cedis. So if you want to buy Starlink but you don't have money, you can go for this option. That's the paying it in installment. Until no, the only say the Starlink in the bebro, which you have 450 no. 100 cedis Starlink, what do you Starlink in be? And 350 no, for delivery. Because the be free US now Ghana. In 450, I'll be to Starlink, yes. And so person ton so person to Starlink Mini bia and on the price ni 2,550. That's the Mini no. So wow to there. And I Gen 3 so with shipping here 4,440 Ghana cedis. So where Starlink no Kituwa no and kese no the prices and the wahase no. Nti sia na yenye ne say we new afi na auto nti me kire mu. We no abahase de I sa anyoma menu we into a crucial. Once you di kind na mbisa say per rooming na say per residential. I'm always choose residential. But the woman say residential is you two types. Your one which is 500 cedis per month. That means no unlimited. You'll be paying 500 cedis per month. And your one so 770. That's the residential no. That one to be to 770 a month, right? They are all unlimited. But someone will say difference in a woman any day. Difference a woman say baako fast in the other. If you pay for more, you get larger bandwidth or bigger bandwidth. See, that's the difference between the two. Topa bit my bar no device details. No. This is about the subscription. Okay, so that's it. So let's say we are going for the mini. So with shipping here, 2,550. Me as well. I have say a very crucial information. Filling this information is very crucial, and any mistake there will make you happy. Like you can lose your money or something. Nti hana na wahwe ne ye. Nti hana say email any associated to any Starlink account. Nti say pick email any associated to any Starlink account. Me email we associated to Starlink account. Yen hwa there. Me try say me proceed with it. Mistake I am for bebree and say so yes Starlink registration na say mo busa o city na say me ye wo Eastern region it's good say me choose Kofodua maybe you say Eastern region me ye wo you say baby to say New Abrema na say Odan but city no me bo Odan hye ho a Odan mba say Odan mba dia na kire say Odan ni Starlink for system so that doesn't mean so ntimi Starlink installation Odan so ko choose Odan system ne emma kwan ma won to aso nti de eso ye ni eso choose kura ewo Eastern region ho a ewo Starlink for system ne so nti em fancy ka me ye Odan de me say me ye Kofodua because Odan wo Eastern region so I'll choose Kofodua Matias here so choose enkura na se na Starlink for ma kwan ma won to aso nti de em fancy we ma me choose baby to say new. Okay, new Abrams on their system. Let's see, Afosu in the Eastern region. So you see, we don't recognize the city. If the spelling is correct, you can proceed. Otherwise, okay. So, so now they have updated their system. So now they don't recognize the city as I said initially, but I think they will allow you to create, like apply for the, okay. So you see what happened here. I think, let me try to do, let me just try to change this one to Kofodua again. Let's see whether it will come so that I'll know that that was the problem. Okay, so I think this was the problem street. So this one sometimes I say wow, yeah, no might be street 1, street 3, street 5. No, I had it. Good into my package system. I have my package system. Into yes or share. My main share say me yeah na Afosu and come pick here. Afosu. Okay, so they don't recognize the city. Into maybe Afosu na me installation, but isn't someone recognize the city? I say me choose city a ben like Starlink for ni me was Starlink for system. What I say? How many people say utua with your mobile money and also utua with your Ghana card? With your mobile money and also your credit card. This time around, no, you utua with our mobile money because you have seen baby na mobile money na you using. Okay, mobile money na you using. So be click way. I saw bought way or Ghana card number. Eshahasi, right? And so I have one here. I'll just click on it. And see, the moment I make click on way sooner, send me email way me news that ebe but I think say fact because email no me use that on asama me kind. And see, in this case, no for educational purpose, there may say me create a new email for. Okay, it's my creating new email no. The man say me copy email no. Now me the core system name. So I'll just copy the email. Then I'll go to the site to proceed. The moment I may change the email, I know email new any associated with any account. Then I have to be checking the number that I'll be using to pay. So the number. Okay. So immediately I place order, they will send the invoice to this number, like Momo prompts. But one thing is, if you made a mistake with your email, proceed, set your own password. But one thing about this is say email near wronger, no one set a password name tema. Now call log on out our so be too. Because in this time around, unya kwanye den enra email nimbim. So let's see. Until I'll just proceed. But I'm not sending information about that email into the enclosure. Until when my room. Scan me into but I have an account with Starlink people with my name and everything. So I'm not sure. So they will send some verification code here. Yeah, so they have sent it. So they want me to confirm, they want me to create password and all that. But I've done that here. So the woman no, it is Starlink ni money. Nti we no, esan say phone na me dey no, and na me dey recording it. Mentimi and show you that aspect of it. But prompting baba on the number. Now why then? Now wait your number we a number. Me bobo share ho say me number no. Now wait ya. So ubo mobile money pin shema and one no what place order no. Then order number ni bibia beba. Almost shape ya. DHL4 na de bebro. Starlink form ni DHL4 den aye collab. Nti we na one way of buying Starlink. The second way buying it through third party. But besides a difference to crane den. Third party na Starlink for was some third party vendors are omo the Starlink na mom no maton. Sometimes crane even the vendors need the boy full. Sometimes not all the time. Saying so to if Starlink for no right. And sometimes to vendors born the be the boy then saying a ton was Starlink to wow by a comparison. But companies on muton be a company with say Compute Ghana and Electromats. I know your companies are more third party for Starlink. Sometimes some was Starlink will be. And no no call shop or benye biato. And I yensu installers so especially Pond City Technologies. So reach out to us. I am my invoice. I had the Starlink in account. Because so that you won't stress yourself going here and there, going to buy Starlink and waiting on their site and all that. Do by saying so ye to be mawa and I say yen the na wo hono. E big na wa saying ye ton be mawa. Ye beti ma the sama. In table for question be about Starlink and how to purchase it. Maybe we face some challenges be me wa say kindly put comment or comment section so that me share na my boy na resolve this issue. I hope say video when ya wesun be free. Wa obeti matine fi na wa install Starlink. And also obeti ma call Compute Ghana for an Electromax for na wa call Starlink from the third party. So obeti ma there then I have achieved my goal for this particular video. And make sure to subscribe. And I share this video. I'm gonna be a person store Starlink genuinely. And faster 2 ways I'm actually. I hope someone enjoyed this video and that's the best thing. And that's it. Bye bye.